Okay, we said we could use the same process when we divide by a whole number, so let's take a look. Uh, One little tip that I like to offer you actually is when you're dividing by a whole number, you want to rename it as an improper fraction, and you do so by actually using 1 as the denominator and the whole number itself as the numerator. Then you will multiply by that particular improper fraction that you created its reciprocal. Now, also keep in mind that whatever you change the number to, let's just say that we got a -3/5, and then we take the actual multiplicative inverse. We have to make sure that we keep the same sign. We're not changing signs at all, okay? And even if we have a -12 and we change that to a -12/1 and take the reciprocal, which would be a -1/12, we do not change the signs in this process, okay? Just keep that in mind. We do not change the sign in this process. So let's just go ahead and, oh, battery low. So I better hurry up with this one. Let's take a look at 2/5 divided by 5. Okay, so 2/5, and we're going to divide that by 5. So again, 5 is our whole number. So we will rewrite this as 2/5. We're not flipping that one as you guys say, but we're not taking the multiplicative inverse of that. We are dividing by actually 5/1. You see how I took 5 as the numerator and 1 as the denominator. Now I am going to again rewrite this as 2/5, but I'm going to multiply times the reciprocal here, which is 1/5. Okay, and since I cannot reduce, or should I say simplify prior, I'm going to wind up with 2/25. Okay, 2/25. All right, so let's try another one. Let's try 4/9 divided by 3. Again, going through the process, we're going to take 4/9, rewrite it, and we're going to divide by making 3 improper by putting 3/1. And then we will take 4/9 again, rewriting it exactly the way it is, and multiply it by the reciprocal here, which is 1/3. We can't simplify, so that becomes 4/27. Let's see. Let me check this battery. We got 11% remaining. I guess we can do one more. Sure we can. Let's take a negative. So we have a -3/5, and that is divided by 6. Okay, now again we will take the same -3/5 and we will place 6/1 divided by 6/1, and now we're going to take the reciprocal of 6/1. So again, that'll be a -3/5, but that's going to be times 1/6, and this time we can, so that's a -1, and that's 2. So we'll wind up with 1 times 1 is 1, but negative times a positive is negative, and 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, I would like to take an improper fraction, but I don't think I'm going to have the time to do that. So what I will do is do that here in an upcoming one. So again, this is what we do when we're dividing by whole numbers. So I will see you in a few, as soon as I get my battery together.